Hey guys, my name is Elijah and in this tutorial I will show you how to check for duplicates in Google Sheets. So this is very simple, just select the sheets cells that you want to check the duplicates for. Now click on Format and go over to Conditional Formatting. Now this will highlight all of your cells with a color, and if you want to change the rule, click on Format Cells, scroll all the way down and select Custom Formula Is. Now here you have to insert a value or formula. So I have right here this formula that you can simply type in. So I will copy it and paste it right here. You can type in this formula and now you can see that it highlighted only the duplicates. I can also change the color of the highlight and simply select, let's say, red. And if I am done, I am pressing done. And right now you can see that it highlighted all of the duplicates. Thank you very much for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.